Hello friends, my name is Dennis, and today in the video we will figure out how to order soft windows and after some time not regret it. What is the manufacturer hiding? What should you know when ordering, when measuring soft windows? What nuances may arise during operation? That is, let's understand everything in order. Already this year we wanted to install soft windows on our terrace. Here is our open terrace. The problem is always that the ships were flooded with rain, covered with snow, that is, they covered almost the entire door. Since the height is large, both rain and snow come in very well here. We decided to install soft windows. We thought that they set them up and forgot. In fact, everything is not so simple. There are a lot of nuances. But now let's get everything in order. When the surveyor arrives, he offers you a choice of two materials, polyurethane and P and X. Which material to choose? Well, let's talk about the quality of the material. Let's figure out what the pluses, what the cons and pluses of this inexpensive material are. It's pretty sturdy, it's transparent, and the most important thing is that it does not turn yellow in the sun. The main disadvantage of this material is its temperature expansion. What does that mean? If your material is stretched over your opening, that is, in principle, nothing will happen to it. If, say, the sun is shining on it, it can go a little wave due to the fact that it has warmed up and expanded. Then, when the temperature cools down, it will recover. It will be tightened again in winter. It will be stretched like a drum, that is, it will be a complete imitation of glass. The topic arises if you rolled it into a video for the summer and as it were put it away until autumn. Here is exactly the biggest, probably the biggest minus of this material, because over time it will shrink in this video, and when you want to put it on the locks in the fall, it just won't fit on you. He'll be small. This problem is basically solved, that is, you will either need to heat it yourself with a gun to pull it. If you can't yourself, then you will need to call people. No matter how much a professional will warm up your mug with a cannon, they will pull it all into place. But let's just say this is not a guarantee point, and because of this you will pay your money. But there is a solution to this problem too. If you are ready to spend your time on it once a week or a week and a half, you will need to unwind this roll and put it on the locks, that is, stretched to support about a day. And then twist it again, and for a week and a half you can forget about this problem if you don't plan that you will have these rising windows opening, but simply the material will be tightened, the tone will be perfect, and you can safely choose it. Personally, I was not very happy with this option, and I leaned more towards the polyurethane material. Now let's talk about polyurethane from the advantages of this material. It has a lower temperature expansion and contraction, but if you want to make windows that open, then you do not need to repeat this procedure throughout the summer by unwinding and tightening. That is, in the spring you rolled the curtains in a roller, and only in the fall can you unroll them. They will sit perfectly in their places. From the minuses, the material is more expensive. It is almost 2 times more expensive, minus it turns yellow in the sun. But for me personally, that's not a problem because I have a home. In brown, such yellowish tones, and even if the material yellows the facade of my house, it won't ruin. I mean, I'm ready for it. Another point that I would like to voice this. Such a nuance is that polyurethane materials have a width of 200 meters. That is, on large openings there will be a connecting seam, UP in X, in my opinion, meter 50,060. In any case, my openings will still need to connect 2 for a fee, and this initially kind of scared me away too. I initially thought that no matter how ugly it would look, in the end, when measuring, the surveyor did not show what a small piece would look like for him. Well, after the moment when the windows were installed for me, I generally calmed down because he really looks. Neatly and at a distance of 1.5 meters, he is practically invisible. Right now, I have a connecting seam behind me right here, in this place. If you look closely, you might see him. Now, I'll tell you how it looks up close. I immediately want to notice that I have them on all 3 canvases. Here is the seam.
Here, through it, here's how you see all the same transparently.
Mutuzzo, let's magnify this cherry and examine it closely for clarity.
There is definitely an option to install seams, depending on preferences.
Now let's say if you have a railing, yes, you can put a seam like this, but the only point that I want to pay attention to right away is if you have a seam here and under the railing, then make sure that it is right here where the seam goes there, and there should be a fastening lock so that you can tighten it. And the seam looked good, that's really important. When measuring, you must voice.
As if to a surveyor. That's how it really is. Friends don't bother you at all. Here you see again, here he is a seam. Here he goes seam.
Even the camera doesn't really want to focus on him because it doesn't see him. Another point that I wanted to voice is that in such openings it would be impossible to fix here without a bar, and therefore you immediately expect that they will be installed.
These are such places in Brussels.
You can see it here from above. The bar is also installed. Immediately count on the fact that these bars will be in the color or style of your house. I also have a bar, but I made it brown since the entire edging is brown. Looking ahead a little, I will immediately say that this information was received by the company that did not install soft windows. To be honest, I was very surprised.
The truth that the guys didn't have, they directly chopped the truth about every material, about the nuances that may arise.
When using Ithaca windows when operating data. Now let's figure it out.
About those myths that go around soft windows, about those fears that sit in your head. For most of us, I immediately want to notice that the same thing was happening in my head. And for me, until the moment I didn't install soft windows, since I have.
The windows are made of polyethylene. I asked to note such a pruning piece of polyurethane on it and will experiment on the strength of the material. Many people think that after you pull the windows, you can almost pierce them with your finger. For this, he took a screwdriver. The 700 micron polyurethane material was robust. I pressed it with my foot to examine its toughness.
One part, well, I'm trying to emulate a stretch and see how it works in detail.
If, of course, is stronger.
You can break through it, but it's just by force. You need to move your finger.
Using the screwdriver, she efficiently pierced SPO. Similarly, the poster was pierced too, but it's essential to apply significant force. See, I carefully tested it, no splitting, no bursting. If your concern is a cat possibly shredding it, rest assured it won't happen. I've personally tested with my cat and the material remains intact. This area tends to be quite breezy, especially in spring and autumn. When installing soft windows, we worried over whether their fasteners could withstand the elements. Here's proof, as this strong wind demonstrates.
Well, of course I pegged the windows. Surprisingly, the fasteners remained firmly in place despite witnessing such wind multiple times already. Although our regional winds aren't tornado-level intense, some hurricane-like breezes do pass through.
But nothing happened to the windows.
But is that what it looks like from the inside? That is the wind. So strong.
Well, the windows move a little.
Interestingly, I don't personally perceive the wind much. Maybe glance at how its effect subtly diminishes overall.
Previously, I partially managed to deal with what felt akin to a mini hurricane. Despite this uneven response, you can distinctly see how effective these soft windows are, keeping everything dry, stable, and well shielded from the wind. Another time, when it's minus outside, windows stretch and nearly become like glass. No wrinkles, nothing visible. But if it's a plus, they might behave differently.
A little.
Go in a wave due to the fact that they are warmed up a little. either the sun or just warm weather. Then at minus they stretch and turn. I'm just saying in a single moment.
Well, that looks perfect. It feels almost like the glass is stretched. That's the impression I had.
Here, when installing, the locks have their own thickness, and here you get such a small gap. Well, taking into account the fact that I still have this brick made here, there are cement seams and small gaps. I was worried when there was a blizzard that snow would blow here. Just today there was one blizzard, that is, snow with good wind. Well, as you can see, nothing blew up anywhere.
Under the doors.
I didn't have plans. On the other side there's still snow, and here more snow.
But I didn't blow it here because it was in the lining. That is, at that moment I was also worried, but as if everything was fine. Snow doesn't hit. The gas heat has been operating for about 30 minutes or so. And here I put it. The thermometer reads 7 degrees. It has warmed up nicely. That is, in 30 minutes here is already +7. I will repeat once again that it is around 0 degrees outside. There he is. Is a snowball lying there?
So if you're craving kebabs or something, you can really go for it.
How to cook on the street, but you don't want to go into the house? Then you can install a heater. Electric or gas options are available, but gas heats up significantly faster. You can enjoy sitting calmly at the table while your food cooks efficiently.
I hope my video provided valuable insights. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Feel free to leave your questions in the comments. That's all for today.